This one has me all crazy because listen, usually when I eat this one, I'm out eating it. I'm not making it at home. This is a first.
Nice excuse.
Okay, maybe it's just because I'm hungry. I don't know. I'm tired. Let's eat. Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. Let me show you one of my favorites that I get at a local restaurant. It's my twist on their Ahi Tuna Tacos. They kind of taste like sushi wrapped up in a mission tortilla. These are going to be a family style favorite at your home. We'll start this off with some wild caught ahi tuna. All you have to do is cube this up, get it into a plate or a bowl. Now we're gonna marinate it with some soy sauce and the blackened steak seasoning. I love the flavor that this adds to not only steak, but fish too. Let that hang out, mix it up with your hands or a spoon. Let it just hang out while we jump over to prepping for these quick tacos. First thing we need to do is throw together a quick slaw. I'm using a store-bought coleslaw mix right into a bowl. To that we'll add in some cilantro, tear it up or chop it up, whatever you want to do. We'll add the juice of half of a lime, a tiny drizzle of sesame oil, and then some olive oil. Season that with salt, pepper, give it a toss, let that hang out while we jump over to our sauce. Into a bowl we're doing Kewpie Japanese mayo. To that add as much or as little Sriracha, depending on your heat level that you want. I like to add a little heavier drizzle of sesame oil here. Give it a mix, taste it, adjust as needed. Now it's time to get our street-sized taco shells. I love flour for this one, but I don't love them crisped up. I like them to stay nice and soft. So we'll add them to our taco rack on our right side of our Blackstone, which has no heat. So they're just getting that residual heat just to warm up slightly. Now we can drop down the star of the show, which is our ahi tuna, into a little bit of sesame oil. We want these to cook hot and fast so that the outside gets a nice little char, but the inside stays rare for me. If you want to cook it all the way through, you can, but ahi tuna for me, I like it rare. Once they're done, we'll pull them off. Literally a minute or two is all they need. Grab our taco shells and start with the base of our sauce. Fill them up with your blackened ahi tuna, a big scoop of that slaw. Then we'll finish these off with some more of our spicy mayo, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, and then backtrack because I completely forgot that I wanted to add, and I love the creaminess that it adds, avocado sliced nice and thin. So we'll pretend that we didn't forget, add that. Then we can add more of our spicy mayo and toasted sesame seeds. Now it's time to eat, Ethan. If you don't want the avocado, take it off, but I like it with extra avocado, so you guys gotta take these, make them at home. I know you're gonna love them. When you do, post a picture. You know my rule. Ethan, just tell them my rule and sign off for me.
Comment, like, subscribe, go to griddlenation.com, blackstoneproducts.com. Check out CJ's first cooking show.
We have so many shows now.
Just click, eat, repeat. Oh, no, that's no.
Just click the bell.